Hello friends, in this session we discuss the work done by a force over a curve in space. Suppose that the vector field F is given by Mi plus Nj plus Pk, where M, N and P are scalar valued functions of three variables x, y and z. F represents a force throughout a region in space. For example, force of gravity is an example. Electromagnetic force is another example. And suppose that this force is acting upon a curve given by the vector valued function r of t is equal to g of ti plus h of tj plus k of tk, where the parameter t varies over some closed interval ab. Moreover, we assume that the curve r of t is smooth. The curve shown in the figure do not intersect at this point. We have drawn like this to show that this is a curve in space. The curve begins from the point A that corresponds to t is equal to A, and the terminal point is the point B which corresponds to t is equal to B. F is a force acting at each point on the curve. Here we take a point here. Here we can see that F acts here, and what will be this point? This point will be some r of t. That means this point has the vector representation given by r of t is equal to g of ti plus h of tj plus k of tk for some t between a and b. At this point you can see that there is a unit tangent vector. What we do is we take the dot product of these two, that is the dot product of the vector f at this point and the unit tangent vector at this point to the curve. Then the line integral of f dot t along the curve is called the work done by f over the curve from A to B. That is, the work done by a force f over a smooth curve with the vector valued function r of t, where t varies from A to B, is W is equal to integral from t is equal to A to t is equal to B f dot t ds. That is, the work is this line integral. We now discuss 6 ways to denote and write this line integral which denotes the work from A to B. We can also write, this is the definition, W is equal to integral f dot t ds, where small t varies from A to B, is the definition of the work integral. And this is a compact differential function, f dot dr. Here f dot dr, because t is the unit tangent vector, we have this form. Also, in order to include t or to emphasize the parameter t, we have this form, integral from A to B f dot dr by dt dt. This dr by dt is the derivative of the vector valued function r of t, and so dr by dt is also a vector. Since f is mi plus nj plus pk, we can also write the work integral like this. Here dg by dt, dh by dt and dk by dt comes from the vector valued function r of t is equal to g of ti plus h of tj plus k of tk. Instead of g, h and k, we can also use the abbreviate form involving x, y and z. So we get like this form. If dt's are cancelled, we get this form, integral from A to B mdx plus ndy plus pdz. How to evaluate a work integral? To evaluate the work integral, take these steps. Evaluate f on the curve as a function of the parameter t. Find the derivative dr by dt of the vector valued function r of t. Take the dot product of f with dr by dt. Then integrate from t is equal to A to t is equal to B. We have seen so many examples in the video, line integrals of vector valued functions, so that it is recommended that you refer the video line integrals of vector valued functions. As first example, we find the work done by the force field F given by y minus x square I plus z minus y square j plus x minus z square k over the curve given by the vector valued function r of t is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k, where t varies from 0 to 1. We note that this r of t, where t varies from 0 to 1, represents a portion of the curve. When t is equal to 0, r of 0 is 0i plus 0j plus 0k, which corresponds to the point triple 0 0 0. And when t is equal to 1, r of 1 is 1i plus 1j plus 1k, which corresponds to the point triple 1 1 1. So this vector valued function represents the portion of the curve from the point triple 0 0 0 to the point triple 1 1 1 in the space. We first write the given vector field f, which is expressed in terms of x, y and z in terms of the parameter t. Okay, we note that x is equal to t, y is equal to t square and z is equal to t cube, because the force is acting on the curve with the vector valued function r of t is equal to ti plus t square j plus t cube k. So the x coordinate is t, y coordinate is t square and z coordinate is t cube, and we substitute those values here and we get y equal to t square. So we get t square here, x is t, so x square becomes t square, so this becomes 0, so this is 0i, z is t cube and y is t raised to 4, so this whole square j plus t minus z is t cube, so z square is t raised to 6 k. Then as step 2, we find the derivative of the vector valued function r of t, and it is dr by dt is the derivative of ti plus t square j plus t cube k, which is I plus 2tj plus 3t square k. Then we find the dot product of f with dr by dt, and we find that is equal to 2t raised to 4 minus 2t raised to 5 plus 3t cube minus 3t raised to 8. Then in step 4, we find the required work from the point corresponds to the parameter t equal to 0 to the point corresponds to the parameter t equal to 1, and that is integral f dot dr by dt dt, and f dot dr by dt is this one. So we substitute here and we find the integral with respect to t to t raised to 4. The integral of t raised to 4 is t raised to 5 by 5. Similarly, the other one can be evaluated, and giving the limits of integrations, we get the value 29 by 60 units. As another example, we consider the work done by a force field that acts on a curve in xy plane. We find the work done by the force F given by negative yi minus xyj that acts on the circular arc r of t is equal to cos ti plus sin tj, where t varies over 0 to pi by 2. See, when t is equal to 0, this becomes cos 0 I plus sin 0 j, which is I plus 0 j, which corresponds to the point ordered where 1 0. And when t is equal to pi by 2, this is cos pi by 2 I plus sin pi by 2 j, which corresponds to the point ordered where 0 1. So this is the circular arc mentioned in this example, and we have to evaluate integral from 0 to pi by 2 f of r dr, which is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 f dot dr by dt dt. In the video line integrals of vector valued function, we have evaluated this is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 3, which is approximately equal to 0.4521. So the required work is approximately 0.4521 units. As another example, we find the work done in moving a particle once round a circle C in the xy plane. The circle has center at the origin and radius 3, and the force field is given by F is equal to 2x minus y plus z I plus x plus y minus z square j plus 3x minus 2y plus 4zk. We know that the parametric representation for the circle centered at the origin and having radius 3 is x is equal to 3 cos t and y is equal to 3 sin t, where t varies from 0 to 2 pi. So the vector valued function that represents the given circle is r of t is equal to 3 cos ti plus 3 sin tj, where t varies over 0 to 2 pi. So dr is negative 3 sin ti plus 3 cos tj dt, where t varies from 0 to 2 pi. In the xy plane, z is 0. So f dot dr is f is 2x minus y plus zi plus x plus y minus z square j plus 3x minus 2y plus 4zk. Here we put z is equal to 0 everywhere and x is equal to 3 cos t, y is equal to 3 sin t. Already drt is evaluated. On simplification we get this is equal to 9 minus 9 sin t cos t dt. Hence the required work done is the line integral f dot dr, and that is integral from 0 to 2 pi of 9 minus 9 sin t cos t. Sin t cos t is sin 2t by 2, so this simplifies to 18 pi. As another example, we find the total work done in moving a particle in a force field given by the vector field f is equal to 3xyi minus 5zj plus 10xk along the curve with the parameterization x is equal to t square plus 1, y is equal to 2t square, z is equal to t cube from t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. Here the curve has the vector valued representation, or the curve is the graph of the vector function r of t is equal to t square plus 1i plus 2t square j plus t cube k, where t varies over 1 to 2. Substituting x is equal to t square plus 1 etc. and noting that drt is the derivative of this r of t, we have f dot dr is equal to 12 t raised to 5 plus 10 t raised to 4 plus 12 t cube plus 30 t square dt. In the line integral, t varies from t is equal to 1 to t is equal to 2. So the required work done is given by integral from 1 to 2 of this one, and which on simplification gives 303 units of work. As another example, we find the total work done integral over c f dot dr, where f is the vector field given by x square plus y square I minus 2xyj, and c is the rectangle in the xy plane bounded by the lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. In the video, line integrals of vector valued functions, we have seen that integral over c f dot dr for the given f and for the given c is negative 2ab square. Hence, the total work done is negative 2ab square units. As another example, we find the total work done integral over c f dot dr, where f is the vector field zi plus xj plus yk, and c is the portion of the helix r of t with the vector valued function given by cos ti plus sin tj plus 3tk, where t varies over 0 to 2 pi. In the video, line integrals of vector valued functions, we have seen that for this given f and this curve c, we have integral over c f dot dr is 7 pi, which is approximately equal to 21.99. So the required work done is 21.99 units.